Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. So I stepped my lash game up. I've been using magnetic lashes or lashes with the eyeliner adhesive, and today is my first time using glue. So you guys will see my struggle. This is my very first time doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Alright guys, so my brows is done, eyeliner is done, and then these are the lashes that I got in my BoxyCharm box. They look like this, and I cut them a little bit because they're a little long, and I'm going to use some Kiss lash adhesive. It says to apply a thin layer. I applied 2 thin layers because I wanted to make sure that they really stayed on. And when I was trying to do it with the tweezers, I had a hard time. So I ended up having to use my finger, but then when I went to my left eye, I had to use the tweezers. It's weird because on my right eye, when I'm doing magnetic liner or lash adhesive, I can do my right eye with the tweezers, but the left eye I have to do it with my fingers. It's just so strange. But I'm still trying to get the hang of this. I've been trying to do it every day so I can get it down to a T. And yeah, they stayed on all day. I just had to apply a little bit more glue at my outer corner while I was at work, maybe like 5 hours into my shift. And yeah. So yeah, I didn't realize that I was blocking the view with my mirror, but I was trying to attempt to get them on my lower lash line. My upper lash line as close as I could to my lash line with the tweezers, and that wasn't working. So I had to use my finger to kind of press it right there, and then I use the tweezers in the front to get it in, and I'm just pressing it down because I got some long nails on, and I want to make sure that that motherfucker is all the way on there, you know? Alright guys, there you have it. Here's a good video look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My next video will be a soft going with the twist. Look out for that. And then I have a colorful pastel type of look coming. I appreciate all the love and support. Again, thank you guys for watching my video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye and be safe.